Our host today will be the Seagull of Stage Ford Park in Gloucester, Massachusetts. He walks regally around the park, presiding over the welcoming center. It's his job to perch above the visitors' welcoming center entrance to ensure that guests are welcomed cordially. While inside, you learn about Rocky Neck Historical Art Trail and all the other amenities associated with Gloucester. He ensures that bicyclists cycle enjoyably in the afternoon, and that those who stroll have a sense of where they're going, as the ocean stretches beyond. Most importantly, he's the beacon of Gloucester. There is a reminder of the joys of summer in Massachusetts.